Alright YouTubers, and welcome back to my channel. I am unboxing my winter FabFitFun box, and I haven't been in it yet, and I kind of don't know what's all in here. I only was able to choose like 3 other items that are inside of the box, so I'm going to turn this camera around. Alright, so here's a FabFitFun box. Unboxing. There's a FabFitFun magazine here with Maria Shriver. Huh. Oh, a lot of recipes. I'm gonna enjoy going through that. Save just for you. So this tells me exactly what's in my box, I guess. I doubt it. I don't think that's the stuff that's in my box. Oh, $15 off your first box. That's a $200 value for $34.99. Redeem at FabFitFun. Oh. Before you pass this part along, grab your box and scan the SNAP code to send $10 off your first box to more friends. Alright. There's also a $90 gift card for HelloFresh. And now we're going to actually get into the actual unboxing of what's here. Alright. So here at first I have the Ahava Dead Sea Salt, Natural Dead Sea Bath Salts. It's 11 ounces. Alright, whenever your body is in need of a revitalizing charge, look no further than Ahava Dead Sea Bath Salts. Rich in skin-friendly minerals, including magnesium, calcium, sodium, potassium, and more. Immerse yourself in the waters of well-being. Dissolve 1 or 2 packets into a hot water, soak for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse. Okay. They say dissolve. I don't know if we're going to dissolve all that at one time. That is a lot. Like, I'm going to try to get more than one use out of that bag. We also have the Prep Really Prime and Prep Detangler from Drybar. Now, I will say that I saw that I was going to get this online. I wasn't too excited about it at first because I do have ethnic hair. I did a little bit of research, and it looks like it's going to be a product that I can use, so it's not a total waste. I don't really like them to give me hair products because, again, like I said, I do have ethnic hair. Everything doesn't work on my hair, but I am going to use this. I'm going to definitely try it. Alright, so this is the Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Alright, they did a good little packaging on that to keep it from leaking. I have had stuff to leak in boxes before. Not FabFitFun boxes, but this is my first FabFitFun box. A new cleansing ritual made to calm the senses. Made with lavender oil, pro vitamin B5, and shea butter. Okay. Alright. So this is the Pure Latasha milk, a pomade. Nourishing balm to oil. Uses an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around eyes or lips and on dry patches. Y'all, I'm so looking forward to using this because I have some dry patches on my eyelids and I need something that's really going to work to get those off and just kind of get my skin soft. And it looks like it's a lot of shea butter here, so yeah. Can't wait. So we also have the Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultra Glow Primer. And I'm always trying different primers because I believe that a good primer really sets your face. Yeah. Can't read any of that. None of that side is in English, so let's... Alright. There we go. Okay. Illuminate and glow and be radiant and soft. Apply 2 drops and pat into clean, dry face. Use before makeup as ultimate illuminating primer, or use on its own for a dewy complexion. I would really love to see what that is about, so I am going to take it out of this box. So cute. Soft Focus Glow Drops. And then these are all full-size products. It's 1 full ounce. Looks like it's gonna last a very long time. So I'm excited, super excited about that product. Alright, so we had a makeup eraser, y'all. I think they want you to wash it before you use it the first time. I'm gonna wet it before I use it the first time, probably when I wash it. I have a face full of makeup right now, so I'm looking forward to using this product. Ooh, the box actually feels so good. Like, I almost want to just keep the box just because the box feels so good. It actually feels like an eraser. Very neat. Slippers. You know, these are some really nice slippers. These are medium to large. I wear about an 8.5, so looking forward to that. I was looking at the back of these slippers. This is what really made me want them. Is a lot of my slippers on the back, they just do something funky, and I end up hating slippers because of that. And I was looking for some slippers I wouldn't hate. And this here is the Unhide for Love Not Fur blanket. A lot of people I saw this month were getting this blanket, so I already know it's a good quality product. I can't wait to get into that. But anyway, that's my FabFitFun box for winter 2019.